Need a fast and efficient way to keep your home spotless? In this video, we're revealing the 5 best handheld vacuum cleaners for quick and easy cleaning. Whether it's pet hair, crumbs, or dust, these powerful and portable vacuums get the job done effortlessly. Stay tuned to find your perfect cleaning tool. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Dreame V10 Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. The Dreame V10 Handheld Wireless Vacuum Cleaner, a versatile and powerful tool for all your cleaning needs. Powered by a cyclone filtration system, this cordless vacuum offers up to 90 minutes of battery life, allowing you to clean large areas without interruption. With its bagless design and dust cup storage, it provides a hassle-free cleaning experience. The V10 comes with a multifunctional combined brush that effortlessly picks up dirt and debris from carpets and hard floors. Its wireless feature ensures convenience, allowing you to easily maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The random cleaning route ensures comprehensive coverage, while the lightweight design makes it easy to handle. Perfect for quick, efficient cleaning, the Dreame V10 is ideal for homes, offices, or even cars. Say goodbye to cumbersome cords and hello to a cleaner, more efficient space. Second product on our list, Ilife W90 Cordless Cleaning Mop Robot. The Ilife W90 Cordless Wireless Wet and Dry Cleaning Mop Robot is designed to make your cleaning routine effortless. This smart robot combines powerful 5,500 Pascal suction with wet and dry cleaning capabilities, providing a thorough clean on all types of floors. With its large dual water tanks, it efficiently manages both clean and dirty water, ensuring a hygienic cleaning process. The robot's self-cleaning feature takes just 1 minute, allowing you to save time and keep your mop in top condition. The LCD screen offers real-time updates on the cleaning process, while the aqua filter ensures dirt and debris are effectively trapped. Weighing between 3 to 6 kilograms, it's lightweight yet powerful. With a battery life of up to 30 minutes, this device is perfect for smaller spaces. It's also bagless, eliminating the need for extra maintenance. Enjoy hands-free cleaning with the Ilife W90. Third product on our list, Abir VC205 Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. The Abir VC205 Wireless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and versatile cleaning solution for your home. With a maximum suction power of 27,000 PA, this vacuum effortlessly tackles dust, debris, and even pet hair. Whether it's a quick cleanup or a deep clean, the turbo brush and 4 included nozzle heads make the job easier. The VC205 features smart dust detection with a unique visual display on its ultra-large LCD touchscreen. It offers real-time feedback with red and blue ring lights to indicate when dust is detected or cleared, ensuring no mess is left behind. Plus, the vacuum adjusts suction power automatically with its auto speed control, adapting to your needs. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of battery life thanks to its efficient Li-ion battery, while its bagless design and cyclone filtration ensure easy maintenance. Perfect for various surfaces, this portable vacuum combines style, functionality, and convenience in one. Fourth product on our list, BuTure Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The BuTure 450W Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution for any home. With a detachable 7 by 2,500 mAh lithium-ion battery, it provides up to 50 minutes of runtime, ensuring you can tackle cleaning tasks without interruptions. The powerful 450W motor delivers an impressive 38 kPa suction in max mode, easily handling dust, debris, and pet hair on multiple surfaces. Equipped with a 5-in-1 design, the vacuum includes a V-brush for floors, a mini electric brush for fabrics, and a flat suction head for tight crevices. The intelligent touchscreen keeps you informed on power levels and cleaning status, while the 5-layer filtration system traps 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this vacuum also features a large 1.5L dust cup and a one-touch switch button for added convenience. Whether you're cleaning carpets or hard floors, the BuTure cordless vacuum delivers top-tier performance. Fifth product on our list, Devoac V50 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Devoac V50 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a game-changer in home cleaning. With a 200W motor and 20 kPa suction power, it picks up dust, pet hair, and debris with ease. It features 2 suction modes, making it perfect for carpets, hardwood, and tile floors. Plus, it operates at just 60 dB, ensuring a quiet cleaning experience. This vacuum boasts a 5-stage HEPA filtration system, capturing 99.99% of dust and allergens for cleaner air. The 1-liter dustbin is easy to empty. Just press a button, and you're done. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, it's ultralight and effortless to use. The 2,200 mAh battery delivers up to 40 minutes of runtime, covering your entire home in one charge. The wide brush head and LED lights reveal hidden dirt, while the 180 degrees swivel brush reaches tight spaces with ease. Its ergonomic handle makes long cleaning sessions comfortable. With its 6-in-1 versatility, it transforms into a handheld vacuum for cars, furniture, and ceilings. Get the Devoac V50 today and experience powerful, cordless cleaning like never before.